Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Tech Solution. Welcome again to this new video. I am Jalpesh, co-founder of Future Tech Solution. Today we are going to go some exciting topic for all you guys. We are diving into the new feature of C# 12, especially the primary constructor. If you are ready to level up your C# game, then please do watch this video till end. So let's understand what is exactly the primary constructor is. So it's a new feature that is simplifying the creation of constructor in C#. So we are going to see how we can use the primary constructor in C# 12. So let's directly jump into the code and see the primary constructor in the action. So here you can see, if I double click on the project, you can see it's a .NET 8.0 which is a latest framework from Microsoft. Here we got all the C# 12 features there. So now if you see the application, what I have done is I have created a student class. Then I have three private read-only fields there. You can see first name, last name, standard, and then I am having a constructor which is also having the argument which is first name, last name, and standard. And then I am assigning those field to my read-only field, and then I am having a print student method which is just printing those first name, last name, and standard. Now if you see in the program.cs file in the main, what I am doing is I am creating a student object and just I am printing the print student. Now let's run this application. So you can see it is printing the same way which is expected. First name is Andrew, last name is Smith, and standard is 20. Now in the student.cs, if you closely look this, to assign these fields and everything, we need to write like around 7 to 8 line of code. So here comes the primary constructor sugar syntax. So basically what you need to do is you need to copy this and put it over here. And here you can use those fields directly. Right now again, let's run the application to see if there is any error. Now it is working as expected. So you can see now we have reduced around like 6 to 7 line of code. Now somebody will argument that I wanted to have my read-only fields and encapsulate those fields. How I can do that? So that's also possible. Here you can assign them to your encapsulated fields like this, and here again you can use the same field. Right now let's run this application again. You can see the same output here. Now somebody will argument like this is same as the primary constructor of the record, but there is one difference there. Let me show it to you. So let me close this output window and let me create a record here. So I am going to create student record, string first name, string last name, integer, standard. Okay, and here we can write your business logic and validations. Now let's create this object. So I am creating a student record object, and we can do same thing. Right now if you try to use the fields which are there as primary constructor in the student object of class, we are not able to see that. Like you cannot use that fields as property. But if you go through the student record, you can see I am getting first name, last name, standard. So you can expose those fields as property. So that is the main difference between student record and this one. So now you will agree that like this will be same as the record, but it works in a slightly different way. So in records you can use these constructor fields as property, while in class you cannot do that. So basically this was the demo about the primary constructor. You can see the primary constructor does not break your existing code base, and you need not to do lots of code changes to make primary constructor working, and you can do great things with very little code, and it will be a clean code for there. It's all about providing the flexibility and not forcing you to do refactor. So that's it for this video. Please do let me know in comments where you are going to use this primary constructor in your application, and please also if you have got any questions related to primary questions, and don't hesitate to put those questions into comment. I'll try to answer all these comments. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel. And also please do let me know that what are the new C# 12 feature you want to see in the future video. Please write those things in the comments. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.